Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install iOS 15 in iPhone 5, iPhone 6 and iPhone 6 Plus without computer and jailbreak. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start please don't forget to subscribe. Before we go, do the following steps. First we have to go to settings, scroll, find and tap on battery and disable low power mode, then go back to settings and tap general and tap iPhone storage and make sure that iPhone is not running out of space. Now launch Safari browser and search for beta profile in Google, and we are going to use first link. After loading the page, you will get this interface of the website. Scroll and under iOS 15 download, tap install profile. Tap install anyways. Checking your browser, and a pop-up window will appear and we have to tap on allow. Now tap close and launch settings again. Profile downloaded. Tap install in top right corner. Put iPhone passcode and tap install. Tap install. If you want to restart, tap restart, otherwise leave it as it is and tap not now and tap done. Now go back to general and tap software update. Here we go, iOS 15.2 is ready to download in iPhone 5, iPhone 6 and 6 Plus by tapping download and install. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.